What if your website could automatically collect everything happening in your city, from local newspapers and community organizations to Facebook updates and Google News, and keep itself updated without you having to publish every story yourself? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a local news widget using RSS app. As an example, we'll use Austin, Texas, but you can follow the exact same steps for any city or region you want to cover. We'll gather updates from multiple local sources, combine them into a single feed, and display everything in a live widget that updates automatically whenever something new is published. Let's start by finding a few local sources. For this example, we'll start with a Google News search for Austin, then add a few official city Facebook pages, local newspapers, and community websites. You can follow the exact same workflow for any city or region using almost any public website. Rather than relying on a single source, try to combine different types of websites. That way, your readers see major news stories, official updates, local events, and community announcements all in one place. Once you've found a source you'd like to include, simply copy its URL and go to rss.app. Paste it into the RSS generator. RSS app analyzes the page and creates an RSS feed for you. Think of an RSS feed as a structured version of a website that automatically updates whenever new content is published. Once it's created, RSS app keeps collecting new articles for you automatically. We'll repeat the same process for each source. Although every website looks different, the workflow stays exactly the same. Copy the URL, generate the feed, and save it. We have several separate feeds, but managing each one individually would quickly become inconvenient. That's where bundles come in. Create a new bundle and add each of the feeds we've just created. Now all of your feeds are combined into one, so instead of working with 5 or 6 different sources, you only need to manage a single feed containing everything. Whenever any of these websites publishes a new article or update, it will automatically appear in the bundle. If you discover another local source later, you can simply add it to the same bundle without changing the rest of your setup. Before publishing everything to our website, let's quickly clean up the content. Filters let you control exactly which posts appear. For example, you can automatically hide duplicate stories that are being covered by different outlets, or remove posts without images to keep your widget looking good. With the whitelist, you can make sure the feed includes only articles that mention a specific neighborhood or county. Or use the blacklist to exclude topics like sports if they aren't relevant to your audience. A few simple filters can make your local news website feel much more organized, even as you continue adding new sources over time. Now that our bundle is ready, it's time to display it on a website. Open the Widgets tab and choose one of the 7 ready-made layouts: News Wall, List, Carousel, Image Board, Ticker, Magazine, or Feed. Pick the one that best fits your website. News Wall is a balanced grid that's great for a homepage or a general news section. List displays articles one after another, making it easy to scan lots of headlines. Carousel highlights a handful of featured stories that visitors can browse through. Image Board puts visuals first, making it a good choice for travel, events, or lifestyle content. Ticker creates a scrolling strip of headlines that's perfect for breaking news or announcements. Magazine gives your content a more editorial look with larger featured stories, while Feed presents one post at a time in a simple blog-style layout. For a local news website, Newswall is usually the best choice because it lets visitors see several stories from different sources at a glance. Each widget works right away, but if you'd like to personalize it, click Customize. Here, you can match the widget to your website by changing the card style, fonts, colors, and spacing. You can also choose which elements appear on each post, like the description, source, publication date, or images, so your news is presented exactly the way you want. As you make changes, you'll see the preview update instantly. Once you're happy with the design, click Add to Website. You'll see 2 embed options, JavaScript and iframe. If your website builder supports JavaScript, that's the recommended option. If it doesn't, simply use the iframe version instead. For this example, we'll use Wix, but the process is very similar on most website builders. In the Wix editor, click Add Elements and search for Embed. Other platforms might call it custom HTML, but they follow a similar process. All you have to do is paste in your widget code and apply the changes. You can then resize and position the widget however you'd like. It's responsive, so it automatically adapts to different screen sizes, whether someone is viewing your website on a desktop, tablet, or phone. That's all there is to it. From this point on, your website updates automatically. Whenever one of your sources publishes a new story, RSS app collects it, adds it to your bundle, and your embedded widget displays the latest content without any manual work. And because everything is managed through bundles, it's easy to expand your website later by adding more sources or creating separate bundles for different categories of content. Try it yourself with RSS.app.